Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us their pocket power bank for the iPhone. Nothing to really show you around the box, just the sticker there. Small portable charger, black. We slide it out of their box. We get another nice box. Pocket power bank. Take it out of this case. Warranty card. And then here, power bank. We have an included micro USB-C cable to charge up the power bank, as well as a manual. There we go. And that's other than those specs there, 5,000 milliamp hours. That's it for the box. Now here is the actual, oh wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, so this has this little included attached cable, which could plug in to a USB-C product. Over here is where this USB-C cable goes to charge it. And then when you don't need this, it kind of works as almost like a loop, like you could almost put this on your key rings. And then this of course comes off to reveal a lightning port, and my iPad is dead. So if I plug this into my iPad, it's at 70% now. 69, it's gonna start charging my iPad. So that'll do it for this pocket power bank. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this power bank to unbox and show you all. This is exactly how it works. Charge this up, plug it into your Apple device and charge it, or use this extra little cable to charge a USB-C device. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.